Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this week's video, I will be showing you all how I decorated my coffee bar. I'm going to leave the link to the actual coffee bar in the description box. I didn't have to buy a lot of stuff. Most of the stuff I already had. I just bought a few things from Marshall's and nothing cost me over $20. So I am going to, like I said, link what I can in the description. And I hope you guys enjoy it. If you're new, welcome. My name is Mellany. I would love to have you as a subscriber. Make sure you click the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. And if you are not new, welcome back, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.